Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vanguard to buy stocks. First, you'll need to open an investment account. Decide if a brokerage account or an IRA best suits your needs. Gather your personal details like your social security number and bank information. Then, complete the online application, which typically takes about 15 minutes. Review all the details carefully before submitting. Once your account is open, the next step is to fund it. You can easily link your bank account for electronic transfers, which is a common method. For larger sums, consider a direct deposit or a wire transfer. Remember, it's crucial that your funds have fully settled in your Vanguard account before you attempt to place any stock trades. With funds in your account, you can now research stocks. Vanguard offers various research tools and screeners to help you identify potential investments. Take time to understand a company's fundamentals and current market trends. It's also wise to diversify your portfolio across different sectors to help manage risk and enhance potential returns. Finally, you're ready to place a trade. Navigate to the trading platform within your Vanguard account. Enter the specific stock ticker symbol and the number of shares you wish to buy. You'll then choose your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify a maximum purchase price. Review your order and confirm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.